What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today in front of me I have two mice. Now, a lot of people were saying that I said the Surface was the smoothest scrolling mouse, and then I said this one was the smoothest scrolling mouse. Now, I will have to say I have not used my Surface Art mouse in a little while. It's been sitting in a drawer, and I kind of forgot what it was capable of. Now, there is a new one coming out, and in a few days I will be putting a review up. But right now, we're going to see which one of these is actually the best, the smoothest scrolling mouse for your iPad with iPad OS. Let's check it out. So I probably should have made this a dongle versus Bluetooth video, just because this one, turn it on, has a USB Type-C dongle that it connects to. So I'm gonna just plug that in right there, and we should get mouse support right off bat. There we go. Now I'm gonna go over into my settings, and I'm just gonna turn this on, and by turning this on, I mean do it like that. It should come on. I'm gonna click. Did it connect? There we go. So we got a connection right there, right away. Both of these are connected. They're doing a great job. Now, this one, told you, scrolls, nice, smooth. But I guess I kind of forgot, I haven't been using this one. That's probably the smoothest scroll I have right there. I'm just flicking my fingers, scrolls down, flick my fingers, comes back up, flick my fingers, scrolls down, comes back up. So clearly the winner in that situation is going to be the Microsoft Art mouse. Now, with that being said, the scroll in this is still a good scroll, but the Art mouse probably has the advantage in that category. Now, as far as functions, the Jellycomb USB Type-C adapter mouse has a few more functions. I don't know, just say you're online and you're looking at cheese biscuits recipes, like I guess I was, and you click the scrolling wheel, it takes you back. The Microsoft Art mouse, you have to actually pull up this, click on home, and then come back. So you get a little bit more functionality, and this is more aimed at gaming because you have the different DPI controls. I think it's like 800, 1600, and 800, 1200, 1600, and you can use it for gaming and things of that nature. But both are good in their own respects. But as far as which one is going to scroll the smoothest, it's going to have to go to the Surface Art mouse. Now, the Surface Art mouse is probably the smoothest scrolling one I've had. And I've had a few, because right over here, I got the Lenovo Yoga. And then over here, I got the Apple Magic Mouse, which actually does not even scroll. You got to do everything by clicks and taps. So hopefully Apple will come out with a mouse that will mimic something of this nature, but for right now, this is what we have. So I got one from Jellycomb. It has a USB Type-C adapter. It's going to run you about $16, while this one from Microsoft is going to run you probably about $60. And like I said, there's a new one coming out, the version 2 or the generation 2 of this mouse, which is going to have a few upgraded features. I'm going to do a review on that very shortly so you guys can see what the differences are in these mice, but this one's going to run you about $64 or $70. So as far as the one with the smoothest scroll, hands down, Microsoft Art is the best. It's the winner. Hope this is able to help someone out. I'll drop links to both of these below so you can check them out for yourself. Remember, you got a premium price tag over here at about $70. Over here, you're going to pick this one up for about $12 to $15. But they're both great devices. Just depends on how much money you want to shell out at the time. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.